Today, we reflect on Articles 6 to 10 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child. These provisions speak to something deeply human: a child's right to live, to belong, and to remain connected. Article 6 reminds us that every child has the right to life, not just survival, but development. Every child deserves the opportunity to grow in health, dignity, knowledge, and emotional security. Article 7 tells us that every child has the right to a name and a nationality. A child must be registered at birth. Identity gives recognition, nationality gives belonging, and wherever possible, a child has the right to know and be cared for by their parents. Article 8 protects that identity: a child's name, family ties, and legal existence. If taken or altered unlawfully, it must be restored. Children should never lose who they are. Article 9 reminds us that children should not be separated from their parents unless it is truly in their best interests. And even when separation happens, children still deserve love, stability, and connection. Article 10 speaks to families separated by borders. Reunification must be handled humanely and without delay. No child should suffer because of geography. And as we reflect on these rights, we must consider the times we are living in. In our local context here in Nigeria, divorce and family separation are increasingly common. These transitions are often painful, but in the midst of adult decisions, we must never lose sight of the child. Divorce may end a marriage, but it does not end parenthood. Both parents still carry the responsibility to protect the child's emotional well-being. Children should not be drawn into conflict or forced to choose sides. At the heart of these provisions is a simple truth: every child has the right to life, identity, and family. Even when families change, a child's rights must remain intact. As we continue to raise awareness, may we remember that every child carries a voice that must be heard, a dignity that must be protected, and a future that must be nurtured. Until next time, let us keep standing for the rights of every child, everywhere.